Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to the Atlantis 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Brougham build. Last night we took our CA glue and CA'd the seats on, and look at that. We got seats now. They're nice and solidly mounted on there, and looks pretty good with our flocked carpet. I'm trying the my little ring light at a lower brightness setting to see if that helps with the blur on a lot of some of the videos I've done. I noticed when I had the light cranked up all the way, it was blurring really bad. It was having trouble focusing. So we're going to try that out and see what happens. But today we are going to try to get this interior together here. I'm going to take our door panels and everything, but we need to do some work on this. We need to scrape some of this paint off here to get that to stick. I don't think it's going to stick if we try to glue that without getting rid of some of that paint on each side of there, and then of course the bottoms of the doors. And it's sad, all this nice bare metal foil we did, you see how that just kind of covers over it? Never gonna see it, are we? That's alright. We know it's there. Well, let's start off by doing that. Let's scrape some of the paint off the bottom here so that we get a decent glue bond. Kind of pains me to do that. Come a long way with this build. We've made some mistakes, learned some lessons. Let's get that paint off that bottom edge there. Do it to the other side too. But that's what it's about. It's about having fun and doing things and learning. And like I said, I don't plan on entering this in any modeling contest, so it's gonna actually I'm gonna make a diorama out of it. Probably all my model cars will be a diorama of some sort. Okay, now we need to get a couple things here. We did leave some of this area unpainted. We're going to have to scrape a little more off there for the we're just going to go that far with that. I like how the dash turned out. Especially for as shaky as I am sometimes. But we do need to... I can do this without busting it up. Yeah, I like that steering wheel too. I'm actually happy with the way a lot of this model's turned out. How can I do that? I want to try to keep things on camera. Yeah, see that? We got seats that stick now. Stuff all over. No, that's what it's about. You gotta make a mess sometimes. So what I think we'll do is take our glue and attach the old steering wheel here. Like so. Oh, look at that. Even got the steering wheel halfway straight on there. That's cool. Let's go ahead and we'll get some glue on that. Get our steering wheel attached, and then we'll focus on scraping that some more and getting them side panels on. Yeah, I'm happy with that. For as small scale as this is. It's something I can live with. Now the top of the dash pad you put on after the interior tub is put inside the vehicle. So I think just for some added protection here, added bond, we're going to put a little more here. Right in there. Excellent. Let that sit for a little bit. Yeah, look at that there. I don't know. I should probably check to see that I hold. Yeah, I'm holding that way too high. What are we doing? There it is. Is that way up here? Oh, maybe. Need one of those monitors so I can look over every once in a while and see. Sid is doing a cell phone on a, what is this, some streamer tripod thing. But let's go ahead and put that off to the side and let it dry. Keep this a video rolling. I don't think I'll knock it off there. Let's hope not. Get our interior tub here, and we need to scrape some of this off here. Oh, that means some of my flocking's got to go. You bet. I know how to make a mess, that's for sure. No, let's not cut her finger though either. And the other side, the same way. Getting a big old mess here. That's alright. It's all in the name of progress. I'll take a little piece of towel here and wipe everything good. There's a few little fuzzies in there from the... Get that out of our flocking. I think it was worth doing all this trim and everything. It was a nice, good lesson in bare metal foiling. So now, I'm going to take this off into the trash here. There we go. So let's start with this side. Just kind of put it into place here. And I don't know, it might be better to yeah, that should give us a nice glue bond right there. I think, yeah, because I'm going to want my dash piece too. I'm going to see more of my hands than anything for a second. Let's go ahead and get some of my Tamiya tape here. Yeah, one from last time. Just kind of hold things for me. Like that. And then we'll get another piece of that tape. Get the other side ready. That. But we need to get our dash in there. How are we doing, steering wheel? You dry? Hopefully. We're going to find out. If it plops off, we know we did it wrong. Yeah, let's just do that. Make them other parts help us out here. Like that? Oh, look at that. If that ain't the one of the... Alright. We just need to get some glue on this. And we'll just follow along there. Let that dry for a little bit. And I'm hoping that I don't regret not painting this other side. I'm hoping that the body will hide all of this. We'll find out. And this side, is it down nice? Yeah, it's down pretty nice. I'm happy with it. We are committed now. I don't like to have my brush have the glue or the paint on it. And then we'll put some glue here by the dash. get some here. I really should have cleared off those little nubs there. Now, I'll probably leave the tape on till tomorrow to let this set up real good. It already is pretty much set up. There we go. There is our interior tub for our Cadillac. Let's put it in the camera view. See if we can get that our dash there. Is it focusing? Focus. Still see our door panels and everything, the detail there, and our seats and the climate control box and all that stuff. But yeah, put that back down, and like I said, we got to get the tub inside the car body, and then we can put the dash pad on top. But that's the interior finally glued together. Very happy with it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.